Need to talk to someone you accidentally or intentionally blocked on your Android phone? Let's unblock them now. First, open your phone app. This is usually the one with the green phone icon, where you make calls. Once the phone app is open, look for the 3 vertical dots. Usually, in the top right corner, tap on those to open the menu. In the menu that appears, you'll see several options. Find and tap on Settings or a similar option, like Call Settings. Now, you're in the settings related to blocking calls. Look for an option that says Block Numbers, Call Blocking, or something similar and tap on it. This screen will display a list of all the numbers currently blocked on your device. Scroll through this list to find the contact you want to unblock. When you find the number you wish to unblock, you'll see an X icon or a trash can icon next to it. Tap on that unblock icon. A confirmation prompt might appear asking if you're sure you want to unblock the number. Tap unblock or yes to confirm. And that's it. The number is now unblocked, and you can receive calls and messages from them again. You've successfully re-established communication with your contact, ensuring you won't miss any important calls or messages from them. Stay connected.